Here's a large piece of Boulder Opal from Winton area, down near main side I believe. Rules and millimetres, the material's been wetted. This is quite a large piece, as you can see there. Similar size on this end. This needs to be ground off. Could end up with a lot larger stone. Over here there's a bit of fire in this. As you get over here, that's where it peters out I think. But if you follow that through, it's that vein there. Then there's another vein underneath here again, which is probably might come up into this one. It's hard to say, but it's nice hard material, so it'll polish up really good. End up with a nice stone there I think. That's the back. Just go around so you get a better look. Slice that off where you know you're going to get it, and then this piece, work on it secondly, do this second, and then this bit down here, maybe come from this side, grind that off, go back, see where that goes. There's a bit of colour starting to show here again, so that could be that piece there sort of coming over like a half moon shape. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at that. Cheers.